Every message you send, every video you stream, every online classes you attend feels instant, feels wireless, feels like magic. But here's the truth, the internet is not in the air, it's deep under the ocean. Hidden beneath a thousands of meters of water lies a powerful network. Undersea cables, the silent arteries of a global communication. Undersea cables are also known as submarine cables or fiber optic cables that lay across the ocean floor. They carry data in the form of light signals uh, at lightning fast speeds. These cables connect countries, continents, and people, making the world a truly global village. Let's look at some powerful facts. Over 97% of global internet traffic travels through the undersea cables, not satellite. There are more than 500 active submarine cables worldwide. The total length of these cables exceeds 1.4 million kilometers, enough to circle the earth over 30 times. A single cable can transmit terabyte of data per second, means millions of calls, emails, and messages at once. Tech giants like Google, Amazon, and Microsoft investing millions to build and control these digital highway. The undersea cables are made up of ultra thin fiberglass, thinner than human hair, yet stronger than steel due to protective layer. These these cables transmit data in the form of pulse of light, traveling at nearly speed of light. Special ships carefully lays these cables across ocean, while repeaters are placed every 50 to 100 kilometers to boost signals to keep the data flowing smoothly. But beneath the waves, danger is everywhere. Fishing activities and ships anchors damage cables. Natural disasters like earthquake can snap them, and even can shark also known to bite them. A single cable failure, a single cable failure can can disrupt the connectivity of internet over the entire regions. The internet is the underseas are cables are not only the wires, they are the backbone of the global economy. From the banking in transaction to military communication, from online education to social media, they power the modern world. So whenever you think about, whenever you send message or call, always remember your internet is not floating in the clouds. the, they are racing through the deep depth of the oceans by the by the innovation of the engineer and brilliance. uh, Undersea cables, unseen, unheard, yet unstoppable. Thank you.